Assalamualaikum friends, how are you all? I hope that may all friends, family members will be fine and good. God bless you. So guys, on the channel you all see different type of hairstyling, hair coloring, cutting and different ideas. Hope so that you will love my all previous collection. Now we are presenting stunning and adorable half of hairstyle ideas. These are so classy and so stunning. Hope that you will love this collection. You can hairstyle your own hair with using these ideas. So guys, don't skip the video, watch the video start to end. These ideas are so amazing for you. Here are different half of hairstyling ideas. The first is a half of ribbon tie. Tie a ribbon around the half of section for a playful and youthful style. Next is half of retro roll. Roll the front section of your hair back and secure it with bobby pin for a vintage inspired look. Next is accessorized half up. Use hair clip or pin to secure the half up section, adding a touch of glam with decorative accessories. So next is half up waterfall braid. Create a waterfall braid on one side, allowing the strand to fall over your shoulder while the rest of your hair remain down. So guys, next is a half up top knot, similar to the half up bun, but this time create a tighter top knot for a more sophisticated appearance. Next is half up fishtail braid. Braid a fishtail on the top half of your hair and leave the rest loose for a boho chic vibes. Next one is half a ponytail. Secure the top half of your hair in a high or ponytail. You can wrap a small section of your hair around the base for a polished finish. So friends, these styles can be adjusted based on hair length and texture for a personalized touch. We are thanking to you for watching this video. These ideas are so amazing for you. Hope you will love these hairstyling ideas. If you love this collection, so like this video, and if you want more and unique updates related to hairstyling and hair coloring cutting ideas, like this video and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon for new and latest updates. Be connected with me. Take care. Allah Hafiz.